ago. Okay, I'm gonna make some more. Help me doze off. Oh, Ethel, she's so sleepy. You're so funny, Ethel. Snoring? Papa moved and interrupted my sleep. Stop videoing me, Mums.
Oh, you gotta get a dog or two.
Papa, I'm videoing. Mumsy, stop. Really? You're gonna fart like that on my video that you know I'm gonna post? It's because you're gassy.